4 job applicants completed a 50-question cognitive ability test. 3 of the candidates scored 28, 26 and 30, and the average of all 4 was 30. How much did the 4th candidate score? So as always, we'll start by highlighting the key parts, as this question isn't a complex equation. It's designed to see how quickly you can find the relevant information and apply it to answer the question. And as it's a math style question, the relevant information are normally numbers. So if we look, we have the 3 scores of 28, 26 and 30. The average is 30, and we're trying to work out the 4th candidate's score. Now, if you look at the top right, I've already drawn out the equation for the average, or the mean. And every CCAT test will have a question like this. So whilst I've given it to you, it's worth memorizing this equation. Because we're going to take the data and just put it in the equation and solve from there. So let's start. We have the mean on one side, and we're told the mean or the average is 30. So we can go and write 30 over here on one side. And this is going to equal the sum of the terms. And this simply means all of the scores we have. So we have 28, 26, 30, and then we'll write x for our missing one. So we've got 28 plus 26 plus 30 plus x. And all of this is going to go over the number of terms we have. And what does this mean? It means simply the amount of numbers we have at the top. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll do 4 underneath. And from here, we're simply going to move all of the numbers to the left, so we have x by itself. And from there, we can solve. So let's start off with the 4. We're going to move it over to the other side. And as we do this, it goes from division to multiplication. So our new equation is 30 multiplied by 4. And 30 multiplied by 4 is pretty easy, as we can just move the 0 over. And then it's 3 times 4, 4, 8, 12. So it's 120 equals all of these top numbers over here. And I'm going to make it easier by adding some of them up together. So we've got a 28, a 26 and a 30. And if I wanted to add it together, I could simply say there's an 8 and a 6, which will equal 14. So we know the last number's 14. And we've got a 1. And from here we have a 2, a 2 and a 3, which is going to equal 7 plus the 1 will equal 8. So it's 84 plus x. And now we need to move the 84 to the other side. So as it was addition, it will become subtraction. So we've got 120 minus 84, which equals x. And 120 minus 84 doesn't seem that easy, but if we just break the 120 up into 120, we can say there's a 20 plus 100 minus 84. And 100 minus 84 will equal 16. So 20 plus 16 equals 36, which equals x. And when we look at our answer options on the left, we can see 36 is the first option down, and it is our final answer.